In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. If you don't have suggestion strip at the top of Gboard, you need to access Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, hit System at the bottom. Then select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to click on Text Correction and use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When your switcher is blue, go back. As you can see, after that, suggestion strip at the top of my keyboard was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!